The workflow for staking a land XML or RXL road is now the same, regardless of whether you start stakeout from the menu or the map. You can now select to the road, to the string, or station on a string by interacting with the road on the map, or you can use the method fields on the form to select these methods. The string, offset, and stations lists can now be selected directly on the stakeout form without having to tap additional buttons or use the tap and hold menu. It is also easier to apply construction offsets, as you can now key in these offset values directly on the form. When staking to the road, you can define a vertical construction offset to stake out surfaces such as base course and subgrades. Tap Options to specify if the offset is to be applied vertically or perpendicular to the element in the cross-section. When staking to a string, or when staking stations on a string, you can define a horizontal construction offset, which can be useful in placing offset stakes. In the cross-section view, you can see how these offsets will be applied. Tap the Options soft key to configure more advanced offsets. When staking a station on a string, you can apply a station construction offset. These offsets are useful for positioning points along curved sections of road, as the offset is applied perpendicular to the selected cross-section. Again, you can use the Options soft key to configure more advanced offsets. Once a string has been selected, you can access the cross slope using the cross slope soft key. In the cross-section view, tap the line that will define the cross slope and enter any cross slope offset. The cross slope will be extended to the selected string. Once a station has been selected, you can then define a subgrade. Again, choose the line that defines the subgrade and enter a depth. The subgrade line will extend to intersect with all encountered lines in the cross-section. If no intersections are found, computed points are created at the same start and end offsets as that of the selected line. Tap Accept and choose these newly calculated points for stakeout. While in road stakeout, it's easy to change your stationing. After measuring a point, use the Station Plus or Station Minus soft keys. Alternatively, use the up and down arrow keys. You can also use the left and right arrow keys to switch strings. For conformance surveys where you constantly have to switch string, use the Stake Nearest method. Here, the software will navigate you to the string nearest to your current positioning, meaning that as you move across the road, the string you are staking relative to will automatically change to reflect your new position. To change the deltas during stakeout, tap Options in the stakeout screen. Tap a delta to change whether the delta is displayed. To save the changes you have made so they persist for other surveys, tap Save to Style. Alternatively, you can change the deltas by tap and holding in the navigation pane. To reorder deltas, tap and hold them and drag them up or down the list. As you can see, all the roading features are easy to find, making Trimble Access roads easier to use than ever before. Thank you for watching.